Welcome to THTI State-of-the-Art Training Kitchen.
In lamination, we talk about why do we laminate, and we should understand lamination in the sense of that they are laminating those that use yeast and there are those that don't use yeast.
What we do here is that we prepare the student for the real-world industrial experience where the lecturers and students work hand in hand to execute whatever activity is given to them.
For chilled desserts, we look at ice creams and sorbets. One of the flavors we tried today with the ice cream, we did a roasted melangen with white pepper. What's nice about it is that you taste in the roasted flavor of the melangen, and you got a tinge of the white pepper taste at the back of the throat.
Nice.
Today I showed my students some plating techniques that we used from the Tobago pone mix. Plating is very important because, as we know, people eat with their eyes first. So a plate that we place in front of a customer must always look very appealing and appetizing. The Tobago pone mix, well, we tested it today. It is very versatile. Besides using it as a pone mix, we could also use it in cakes, and we can also blend it and make pancake or waffle batter.